Using PVpallet slider handles is quick and easy. Slider handles allow your solar panels to rest safely and securely on your PV pallets when loading and unloading. Take note, during transit, we recommend banding the panels for additional security. This is covered in more detail in another video. Slider handles are on both sides of the sidewalls at the top and bottom. Let's first take a look at how to move and lock a slider handle. Remove the slider handle from its stowed position by lifting the handle. Then slide it into the desired position and lock the handle in place. Now let's look at how to tighten a slider handle. Over time, slider handles may become too loose to lock, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. All you need is a 7/16 socket wrench. Simply tighten the bolt on the handle until it can firmly lock in place. Lastly, let's look at how to stow a slider handle. Simply disengage the handle, slide it over, and lock it into its stowed position. One important reminder: the PVpallet slider handles are intended to assist with managing your loads, but are not to be used to secure loads. Please remember to always band your full and partial loads prior to moving in transportation. And that's all there is to using slider handles. Thank you for using PVpallet.